After a series of staggering defeats, Blue Oyster Cult assembled in the recording studio in late 1976 for a session with famed producer Bruce Dickinson. And luckily for us, the cameras were rolling.
Alright guys, I think we're ready to lay this first track down. By the way, my name is Bruce Dickinson. Yes, the Bruce Dickinson. And I gotta tell you, fellas, you've got what appears to be a dynamite sound.
Coming from you, Bruce, that means a lot.
Yeah, I mean, you're Bruce Dickinson.
I can't believe Bruce Dickinson digs our sound.
Easy. Guys, I put my pants on just like the rest of you, one leg at a time. Except, once my pants are on, I make gold records. Alright, here we go. Don't fear the Reaper. Take one. Roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, stop! Bruce, could you come back in here for a minute, please?
Guys, that was gonna be a great track. What's the deal?
Are you sure that was sounding okay?
I'll be honest. Fellas, it was sounding great. I'm telling you, fellas, you're really gonna want that cowbell on the track. Let's take it again. And Gene,
Yeah?
really explore the studio space this time.
You got it, Bruce.
I mean, really, explore the space. I like what I'm hearing. Roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4. That it doesn't work for me. I just gotta have more cowbell.
Don't blow this for us, Gene.
Quit being so selfish, Gene.
Can I just say one thing?
Sure, just say it.
I'm staying at rock legend Bruce Dickinson, and if Bruce Dickinson wants more cowbell, we should probably give him more cowbell.
Say it, baby.
And Bobby, you're right. I am being selfish, but last time I checked, we don't have a lot of songs that feature the cowbell.
I gotta have more cowbell, baby.
And I'm doing myself a disservice, and if every member of this band, if I didn't perform the heck out of this.
Guess what? I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell.
Thanks, Bruce. I feel like if I just leave, we can work on this later.
Oh, come on now, baby.
Wait, Gene. Why don't you lay the cowbell together with us?
Do you mean that?
Oh, yeah.
He speaks for all of us.
Babies, before we're all done here, you're all wearing gold-plated diapers.
What does that mean?
Never question Bruce Dickinson. Roll it.
1, 2, 3, 4.